everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to Passionately Tree Darts and More with Tracy. I want to show you today how to make a muscle shirt out of a t-shirt. This is for my son Dontre. He works out 5-6 times a week, and this is a cricket shirt, so it's kind of heavy, and I'm going to change this into a muscle shirt. So all you do is fold your shirt in half and measure up your arms, get those corrected, flat, and put the seams together. Let's do it this way. Once you have that together, all you do is, I'm going to turn it this way. Go in 3 fingers. And there's your mark. I'm going to clip that. And then you'll want to go underneath the arm. Make sure you have the seams lined up. And that'll be 3 fingers also up underneath the seam. So that'll be about right here. Make a little clip. These aren't working very good. So I clipped it there and I clipped it here. Straighten that out and just go from this point to this point. Very easy. You can do one at a time, but it's much quicker if you match your sleeves and do both at the same time. Now this works so much better on cotton shirts. This is a polyester shirt. So we're going to see how this one turns out. Just that simple. Now the cotton shirt, you would pick up the sleeves and you would stretch them and pull them, and you know how that curls in when you use a cotton shirt. But there it is, just that easy. And then I put his last name on here, but what I did was sublimate. That's why I used this polyester shirt, this cricket shirt, and put this image on there. And let me bring the camera down. Yes, it says big back, but that's in meaning of muscles. You see it? And so he works on car restoration, so grind don't stop. I don't either. He worked for Cuter. Yes, Cuter car dealership. Built for impact, driven by grind, finished with pride. And that's my son. Thumbs up, please. Have a wonderful day. Peace and love. Toodles. Hype me up. Can you do that? Give me a hype. Later, Gators.